we got the first rack of bananas off the property. Some type of Iholena, we're not totally sure, that came from Catie Cassel's cabin in Koke'e, that came from an expedition she had done with Ken Wood. And they found this in upper Milolii Valley. So probably around 3,000, 3,500 feet. So, oh, we got a Koke'e coming up on this log. Alrighty. Fatty Iholena. Oh, wow, that's a good rack. Okay, there we go. Only one broke off. This has been the ripest one of the bunch. Those are a big banana. That's almost as big as just a regular eating banana. And they don't look like the kapuas. They're not just a bulgy fat belly with the straight top. And they're definitely not regular Iholenas, which are very evenly pointy top and bottom and tend to just jut straight out and be smaller racks. So yeah, I don't even know what kind this is. Might be able to make our own name for it. Cassel wood. All right.